Hello and welcome back to the new video lesson, and right now you can see our home page looks kind of boring because you can see the sidebar. It should not be there on the home page of the website. You can see this boring tagline, this boring post, and there's no logo, there's no links to pages here. And you'll also wonder that why the page we created in the previous website, the home page, is not being displayed. So this is because we haven't assigned it as the home page right now. Just giving the name as home doesn't make it the home page, right? So for that, you have to go to your WordPress dashboard. And just let me go to it. And then you have to go to settings. So after coming to settings, you have to come to reading option. And here in reading, you will see your homepage displays your latest posts, but we do not want to display our latest posts. We want to display a static page, which is our home page. Now, as I've selected the home page, I'll just go and click on Save Changes. Now, after saving the changes, you'll see that when I go and reload the website, we get a blank page. So now this is our art sheet and we have to create a beautiful awesome website on this, and let's go and see that how we can achieve that. So for that you have to go to your dashboard. Okay, after coming to your dashboard you have to go to pages and all pages. In your pages section you will see home, and then when you hover over it you have to click on edit with Elementor. Then after Elementor has opened, and if you're opening it for the first time it can take a bit of time, but as I've opened it many times here, it won't take much time, and then you'll see an interface like this which looks very overwhelming if you look at first, but don't be scared. This is very easy to understand. Here you can see here's the templates, this file button and this star icon, both are for premium and free templates from which you can just create your page and change the text, but we'll not do that right now as we are creating our whole website from scratch. Now you have to add a section by going on the plus button. So you'll wonder what a section is. So basically a section is a wrapper box in which all the elements are stored. Now as you have created the section, you have to go to this 9 dots and then you have to click on headings and then drag and drop it here. Now you will see that you can add your heading text and you can do many different things with this. But we do not want to display just words or just text on the home page, and we want images also. So how would we get images? So for getting images, I have a very good option for you. That is stock imaging, and you can get stock images from free websites like Pixabay, Vecteezy, and then you can remove the background from them and you can upload here and they'll just be displayed very beautifully. So let me show you how the process works. Now you have to go to pixabay.com in your browser and you will see 1 million plus running free images, and according to me this website contains images of everything. If you want to use videos you can also go to this video section and use. So as I now want images of mobiles, I'll just go and click on mobiles. Now you have to go and you have to select images as per your requirements. Right now our requirement is something like we need some mobiles standing, some mobiles laptops standing still, or something like that. Now let's go ahead and hover over some images. Now I like this image, and as I like it, I just have to click on it, and then you have to click on the free download button, and you can choose the resolution. I'll choose the full HD right now, that is the 1920 by 2080p, and then you have to hit download. And if you are registered, you won't be asked to fill this captcha code, but as right now we aren't registering, and I've filled the captcha, and just I'll download it. So in this, some images are there that would require you to credit the author, but according to me, mostly images do not require the you to credit the author, but it's a good practice to credit them. Likewise, now we have downloaded the image, and you can see its background is white. So I won't have any problem in uploading it to our website, because on our website we are also using the white background. But what if you have a different colored background? For that, you have to go to a website to remove the background, and the name of that website is remove.bg. Now here you will go and you have to select this upload image option, and then you have to navigate to your image. Now let me just find that where my image is that we downloaded right now. As you can see, now I have located this image. I'll hit enter, and then it will just upload it and remove its background. It's that easy. Now you will see that the background has been removed and it is very clean. Now you have to just go and hit download. You can see that it has been downloaded, and let's go ahead and add it to our website. For that, right now we do not need this text section, so let's just delete these, and now we'll click on section and we'll hit a structure of 2 elements. Now as you can see, we can input 2 elements here. I'll go to this 9 dots option and search for image. You can see this image box. You have to click on it and then just drag and drop it one side, and we would be needing text on the other side. So for that, go to the 9 dots, click on heading, and then just drag and drop it. Now you will see this default image, and right now we need to upload ours. So you can just click on it, select files, and then you can select the downloaded image, upload it, and after it has been uploaded, you have to select on insert media. And there you can see our image has been uploaded.